In this video, we will visit how to solve two-step equations. The first step is to undo any addition or subtraction. The second step is to undo any multiplying or dividing. Let's get started. For the first one, we have negative 7x minus 3 is equal to 11. My first step says to undo any adding or subtracting, so I'm going to focus on the minus 3 and show plus 3 to both sides of the equation sign. The minus 3 plus 3 will cancel out, so all that's left is negative 7x is equal to 14. Then I will show my second step of undoing any multiplying or dividing. So I'm going to divide by negative 7 since I see multiplication. My answer will be whatever 14 divided by negative 7 is, and that gives me negative 2. The second one, same type of way. I'm going to undo any adding or subtracting I see first. So I'm going to plus 5 to both sides. These minus 5 plus 5s will cancel out. So all that's left is 5y is equal to 25. My second step will be to divide both sides by 5. So 25 divided by 5 will give me my answer of y is equal to 5. Remember, you can check your answer by plugging these solutions back into the original equation. For number 3, it's a little different, but still the same concepts. I'm going to undo any adding or subtracting first, so I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. All that's left will be g over negative 3 is equal to 4. In this case, I see division, so I will have to multiply by negative 3 on both sides to find my answer. G is equal to 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12. Number 4, again, I'll start with undoing any adding or subtracting. So I will add 7 to both sides. So all that's left is P over 5 is equal to 33 plus 7, which is 40. And my last step, I will multiply both sides by 5 since I see divide by 5. So I'm undoing the operation that I see. P is equal to 40 times 5, which is 200.